Hello everyone and welcome to this video. So in this video I want to quickly show everybody a platform that I actually stumbled into recently that I use in buying Shiba as of recently. And this platform there is actually a 30% promo that is running on Shiba. So buying Shiba with BNB on this platform, you are actually going to be getting a 30% extra as promo for buying from this exchange. So I want to quickly show everybody how it works, and I want to make a trust transaction for you guys to see how the exchange actually functions. And so to actually do this stuff, you need a Web3 wallet. So like me, I'm using Trust Wallet for this video right now. So you need a Web3 wallet, like Trust Wallet or MetaMask or BTS, any of the Web3 wallets. So you need a Web3 wallet, and then you need some BNB in the wallet to actually buy Shiba from this place, because if you're buying, you're actually going to be getting 30% promo. So the exchange we're going to be using for this lesson I want to show you guys is actually called bitsglobal.net. So I'll be leaving the URL of this exchange in the description of this video. I'll also be displaying it in front of the screen for everybody to see. So it's actually bitsglobal.net. So here is the home screen when you come to Bitcoin. You can see it here that it says trade on the #1 DEX with 30% discount. So there's actually a 30% discount on buying on Shiba, but on this exchange you can actually buy only Shiba. And this swap is going to happen between Shiba and BNB. So I have about 0.07 BNB on my wallet. So I want to use it for this trade, and that 0.07 BNB as of the time of this is worth about $60. So I'm going to use it to buy Shiba and see how many Shiba I'm going to get and the kind of profits it can make me. So when I come to this exchange, the next thing I want to click, I'll click on connect wallet or maybe get started to the next one. So I'll click on connect wallet to continue. So I click on connect wallet. It gets me to this page where I need to connect my wallet. So I'll need to input my 12 or 24 word passphrase here now. So this is my recovery passphrase. My wallet is using the 12 word passphrase. So most of the Web3 wallet actually uses 12 or 24. So you need to input your passphrase here now to be able to connect to the wallet. So I've copied mine already. I'm going to input it here. Please, I'll be blowing this side because I don't want anybody to see my passphrase. So I'll click on next. So I'm actually connected to this exchange. So here is the exchange now. So if you notice here now, they say there's a 30% off that is ongoing right now. So for every Shiba you're buying, there's a 30% bonus you're going to be getting for every Shiba you're buying. So let's say I want to buy 0.07 BNB worth of Shiba. So I'm going to be getting this amount of Shiba. Is this 11,753,999.49 Shiba. So let's see how much this Shiba is worth actually on CoinMarketCap. So I'll copy this value and I'll go to CoinMarketCap and I'll search for Shiba. So here's Shiba. I'll search for Shiba. So I'm using the process. I'll use convert. So I'll paste that amount of Shiba that I just copied and I'll paste it into that 11 million and something. So it's actually going to give us about 85.29 USDT. And this is a trade that we actually started. The BNB worth of BNB we did is actually about $60 worth of BNB, and now it's going to give us a Shiba worth about $85. So it's a very good trade. So I'll go back and make this trade now. So I'll click on, so I have the trade already here, so I'll click on swap. So that is it, guys. So I've actually swapped this BNB to Shiba now. So I'll just wait for some time and I'll check on my wallet and I'll realize that this Shiba, my BNB has been swapped to Shiba. So I'll just wait for some time, and once the Shiba has arrived, I'll still continue this video. So that is it, guys. As you can see, guys, it took about like 30 seconds or to 1 minute for this trade to actually complete. And now I've gotten this 11,753,000 that this Shiba. I've actually received it right now on my wallet. So you can actually go over there and actually check that. So this is my Shiba wallet right now. You can see I've gotten this transaction. So look at the transaction machine. So this is the transaction. It actually has been deposited to my Trust wallet right now. So and this thing is actually worth about $85 right now. So this is the trade I actually started with BNB worth of about $60. Now I've made up to $25 on my trade now. So that is it, guys, for this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and also comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more useful videos like this on cryptocurrencies and trading as a whole. So thank you guys, and see you in the next video.